Popular rose blanket. Roll it up to form a bouquet. Advanced crochet tutorial. Materials used in the demonstration. Double ring starting method. Wrap the yarn around your fingers twice. This prevents the center of the blanket from loosening and forming holes. Hook the yarn from top to bottom. Rotate clockwise once and hold it with your middle finger. Then yarn over and pull through the loop. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2. If you can't master this, you can chain 3 stitches to replace 1 double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over again, and pull through. Now there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2, then yarn over and pull through the last 2. The first round consists of 12 double crochets in total. Place a stitch marker on the last stitch as well. How to close the double ring. Gently pull the yarn tail to see which of the 2 strands moves. Pinch that strand and pull to tighten. Then pull the yarn tail to fully secure it. At the end of each round, the last stitch must be slip-stitched into the first stitch. This slip stitch does not count as a stitch, so pull it tight. Second round, another seamless starting double crochet, but the method is different here. Loosen the loop, yarn over counterclockwise once. Keep your middle finger holding the yarn firmly. This replicates the first yarn over of a normal double crochet. Then, insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2. If you can't master this, chain 3 stitches as a substitute. Next, work 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Then chain 1 stitch. This forms 1 pattern repeat, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 chain stitch. There are 12 repeats in this round. When finished, it should look like this. Third round. In the first stitch, work 1 seamless starting double crochet. In the second stitch, work a double crochet increase. Then chain 1 stitch. This forms 1 pattern repeat, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, and 1 chain stitch. Note, only work into the double crochets from the previous round, skip the chain stitches. Repeat 12 times. Fourth round. In the first stitch, work 1 seamless starting double crochet. In the second stitch, work a double crochet increase. In the third stitch, work 1 double crochet, then chain 1 stitch. This forms 1 pattern repeat 12 times. To ensure the chain stitches form straight, follow the increase pattern as shown. In practice, you don't need to count rounds, just observe the number of stitches per pattern repeat from the previous round. Even numbered stitches mean no center stitch, making it easy to determine. By following this pattern, you can expand the blanket indefinitely.